I'm so proud. I'm so proud because, like you said, you have players like Messi, Lewandowski, Cristiano, and so many great players, so many players who was idol for me when I was young, and now to be here and recognized like one of them, it's amazing.
You play alongside Lionel Messi, of course. He arrived at PSG from Barcelona on a free transfer last summer. What's it like playing with him?
First of all, it's hard to believe to play with him because for me, it's like in Barcelona. He play all his life in Barcelona. To see him every day, to play with him, it's a big dream. It's an honor. I learn every day. It's a big pleasure for me to say to my kids, to my friend, I play with him. I have to enjoy. We have to enjoy. We have to enjoy to see him in Paris. It's an amazing moment for the history of the game. I hope we will win so many titles this season and be recognized like the best team in the world. But we have to work, but with Lionel Messi it's easier.
You've said that when you play with great players, you have to make concessions. How has playing with Lionel Messi affected your game?
I learn a lot. He's a different player. I would like to play in a little space, to like to play the 1-2, I like to play to give the ball in the space. So you have to adapt your game to him. It's normal. But me, I always say I want to play with the best player in the world, and to play with Lionel Messi is what I want. He's a player, it's easy to play, so you just have to adapt, to see the game, to read the game better. And with him it's easier because he will give you the ball in the perfect way to score or to do something good for the teams. I'm good this season because I don't have any problem to play with big player because it's what I want. Like you say, we have to make concession when you play with this type of player, but it's easy because it's a pleasure, first of all, to play with them. And I want to win, so if I have to make concession to win, I will do.
You say you want to win. You've also said you want to leave PSG. Do you regret that now that Messi is part of that squad?
I regret now because I was honest. I gave a feeling, I gave what I have on my heart, and I think nobody can say something bad about it because it's a feeling, it's personal. But of course I'm happy to stay. I'm happy to stay, to play with him, to play with all the guys, to play in PSG because it's my city too. I'm French. So I'm happy and I want to win everything this season.
Is PSG ready to step up to the big league? And by that I mean Champions League. You're playing Real Madrid in February. That match has been billed as an absolute blockbuster. Are they ready?
If we are ready, I want to say yes. I want to say yes, and we have to be ready. Because it's time. We play 6 months to adapt to the new player of the team and to see what can be good, what can be not good. But now we have to go. We have to play. We have to be ready because it's the most important part of the season. Of course, we want to step up. It's been 2 years. We do final, semi-final, but now we want to win. I think we have the team to do this, and it's really important for us, for the club, for all the fans, for the city, for everybody who loves PSG. So we have to try.
Should we expect you to be playing for Real Madrid next season?
I think really is not for me the moment to talk about it because we have, like I said, in the most important part of the season, and we play Real Madrid. So the only thing I have in my mind is to beat Real Madrid in February and March. The other thing I don't in my mind, but we are ready, and I'm ready to play and give everything for PSG.
Carlo Ancelotti has admitted he probably won't make any signings in the transfer window in January. He's likely, though, to sign someone at least after that. Is it likely to be you?
No. No, me, in January, no. No, me. I'm in PSG, I'm really happy. I will finish the season 100%. I will give everything I have to win the Champions League, the league and the cup, and to give all the pleasure to the fans because they deserve it. And I think I deserve to win something great with PSG.
You've just turned 23. You were given this jersey by your teammates for your birthday. It's got Mbappe 2050 on the back. Many of your teammates clearly want you to stay. if and when you go, will you miss them? And how will you reflect on your time at PSG?
No, they want me to stay, and I'm happy. Doesn't mean I did a great job, and I'm a good guy. So I'm happy of that, and of course I say it's a feeling is different because, like I said, Paris is my city. Is where I born, is where I grew up. To play PSG it's an amazing feeling to play with your family, with your friends alongside of you. It's something I always dream for. So I just want to give my best, and I will see what happens. But I think, with all the respect I have for the people, for the club, for my teammate, and for myself too, I have to play 100% the 6 months I have.
You also play under Pochettino, the coach. I'm a Tottenham fan. He used to coach Tottenham Hotspurs. What's he like to play for?
He's a great manager. He's a great manager, a great man, honest guy. I'm really happy to work with him. I have a really great relationship with him. I talk every day, all the time with him. We are really close.
Tom Holland, the star of the Spider-Man franchise, recently asked you whether you've ever considered my own club, Tottenham Hotspur, as your next club. Harry Kane, of course, plays for them. An amazing coach in Antonio Conte. Any chance of persuading you to move to North London?
Yeah, he asked me about it, but no, no. It's a great club. It's a great club. It's a great club. Like I say, with the new stadium, our friends who play there, Tanguy and Ndombele, Hugo Lloris. I watched so many games of the Premier League of Tottenham too, and I'm sure they will make something good this season with Conte, because he's a great manager. He knows what he do, so it's good for them. But I don't think I will play for Tottenham in my life.
So just confirming, it's a no from you.
No, we can never say no, but I don't think so.